thinking?
What was I supposed to do?
Nothing. You were supposed to do nothing.
And just let that man shout at you the way he was going on?
Yes. You just let him say what he wants and you walk away.
You know what he called you, damn it.
It was my mistake. I was driving. I almost hit his car. It looked brand new. He got mad. Why did you have to get in the middle of it like that?
And what should I do? Huh? Just stand there and watch the show?
Yes, you let him say what he wants to and then just walk away. I thought he was going to punch you.
And I would have punched him back. Bloody racist.
That's exactly why we have to just walk away.
Yeah. So we should just be second-class citizens. Huh? And take this bullying? I cannot live like that, okay? And this is exactly what they want. For me to go back to my country.
What if he had a gun? Tell me, what if he had a gun?
Come on, sweetie. You know that wouldn't have happened.
How can you be so sure? You know, that handyman, he was telling me that he has 5 guns in the house and he's teaching his 8-year-old boy to use them safely.
Okay, come on now. Stop it, okay? It's your birthday. You should be happy today. Chalo. Now think about where you want to go for dinner tonight, huh? Come on.
You know, for the first time ever, I feel like we don't belong here.
Yes, we do. I'm a card-carrying American and so are you.
Hey, I didn't choose this country, okay? You chose it. And my parents chose you.
That was 25 years ago. And guess what? I'm perfectly okay with it. I have no regrets. And you know what? I would choose you again and again. Smile now.
I need to call Aman.
Now? Isn't he in class?
No, it's 5 o'clock. He'll be at the dorm. He has a big exam tomorrow.
So let's not bother him.
It's okay. Actually, can you call him?
What's the urgency, Pooja?
It's his beard. I want him to shave it off.
Okay. Listen, you need to just slow it down. Alright? Just think about what you're saying.
I've thought enough.
Pooja, you're just rattled from what happened today.
Yes. You don't even have a beard. Look at how those people treated you. A beard is just asking for trouble.
Look, Pooja, it's just the fashion, okay? All these young boys, they all want to have a beard these days. It's not such a big deal.
Yes, it is. All those girls who dress too sexy, they get the wrong kind of attention, right? This is the same thing.
It's not, Pooja. Listen, just drop it, okay? He does not want to shave.
I know that. But it just screams. You know what I mean.
Are you serious? Huh? That's completely the wrong position for you to take on this. Do you want him to be scared for the rest of his life? No one should have to live like that.
You're not getting it.
No, Pooja, you're not getting it. You're overreacting.
I'm overreacting. Did you read the guidelines after the Kansas shooting? Do not speak to each other in native languages in public. If someone provokes you, do not confront them, just walk away. It was published, okay? I'm not making it up.
Oh, that's ridiculous. Nobody's going to believe that.
Well, maybe they should.
And then you are giving them exactly what they want. This is what they want. For us to be always living in fear and put our heads down all the time. Is that what you want? Is that what you really want? Huh?
Look, I don't need to prove anything, okay? Or fix all these people. I don't care what anyone else does. This is my son. And yours.
Pooja, I am not going to succumb to this bullshit, okay? I will fight it if I have to.
That is it, Rohit. Aman is just like you. He watches you and he learns from you.
He's a sensible boy, Pooja. He will not do anything foolish.
He doesn't even know that he looks any different, okay, from anyone else. It's never been an issue until this stupid election.
It is not new, Pooja. This has always been under the surface. This man has just given everybody a reason, a license to act out their biases. There has always been an undercurrent of racism in this country. Okay? This is just another way for people to just act.
Okay. I don't need to write a thesis on the subject, all right?
Arey Baba. Okay, fine. I will stop. Now you tell me, where do you want to go? Thai or Indian?
Whatever.
Don't do this, Pooja.
You know, I can't just go to dinner and pretend like everything is fine.
Oh, foe.
You call him. Otherwise, I'm not going.
Pooja, why are you doing this?
I'm not doing anything, okay? Why are you fighting me on this? I've tried to talk to him. He won't listen to me. If you talk to him, he'll take it more seriously. He's so far away. These kids are out late at night. You know, it's going to take one drunken nutcase.
Pooja,
If anything happens to him, I'll...
Pooja, nothing will happen to him.
How can you be so sure?